materials include 8mm pearls, 20mm pearl size, pair of scissors, beading thread 0.8mm. Let's begin. We are going to start by cutting a long beading thread, and we are going to add 6 of the 20mm pearls, and then we will cross with a seed bead. This will give us a ring of 6 beads, or it will be like a circle comprising of 6 beads. Now we are going to add 1 of the 20mm pearl again, and then this one is going to be used to fill the hole in the middle of the circle. Next, we are going to add 1 8mm pearl, 2 20mm pearls, and then cross with another 8mm pearl. Next, we are passing the beading thread through the next 20mm pearl. This time around, we are going to add 2 20mm pearls and then 1 8mm pearl. Then we cross with the 8mm pearl. We repeat this process again. You pass the beading thread through the next 20mm pearl, add 2 20mm pearls and cross with 1 8mm pearl. Repeating this process till you get to the last 20mm pearl and the initial ring of 6. This is the last 20mm pearl and the initial ring of 6. We are going to pass the beading thread through the 20mm pearl and also through the 8mm pearl, and then we are going to add 2 20mm pearls and cross with the second 20mm pearl. So that is it for the base. Now let's start building the sides. So first, you pass the beading thread through the next 20mm pearl.
Alright.
Then you add one 8mm pearl, two 20mm pearls, and then another 8mm pearl, and then recross with the 8mm pearl. Then you pass the beading thread through the next two pearls, so the next two 20mm pearls. Then this time around you add two 20mm pearls and then one 8mm pearl, then you cross with the 8mm pearl. So you repeat the process again. You pass the beading thread through the next two 20mm pearls. Then you add two 20mm pearls, one 8mm pearl, and then you cross with the 8mm pearl. So you keep repeating this process till you get to the last two pearl beads. So here you're going to pass the beading thread through the last two pearl beads, and then also through the next 8mm pearl bead by it, and then you're going to add two 20mm pearls and then cross with the second 20mm pearl. To continue to build the sides, so you're going to pass the beading thread through the next 20mm pearl bead again, and then we are going to add one 8mm pearl, two 20mm pearls, and then another one 8mm pearl, and then you're going to cross with the 8mm pearl. Next, you're passing the beading thread through the next two pearl beads. Add two 20mm pearls and one 8mm pearl, and then we cross with the 8mm pearl. So basically, this is how the pattern is going to be like for this particular. So we sell whatever craft sample we make. We also sell raw materials for each craft. So if you are interested in purchasing some of our crafts, you can contact the number on your screen. If you are also interested in purchasing raw materials, you can also contact the number on the screen. So this is the last part. We are just going to pass the beading thread through the last two 20mm pearl beads, and then also through the 8mm pearl bead, and then we are going to cross with two 20mm pearl beads. However, we are going to add the two and then cross with the second one. Now let's make the handle for the bag.